Good day, my wonderful learners. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now. And make sure that you like my videos. God bless you. Today's topic is solid measuration. A solid figure is a shape whose sectional body cannot be wholly shown on a plane or flat surface. And the examples include cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone, pyramid, and prism. So today we want to consider cube as a subtopic. What is a cube? How can I identify a cube? What is the property of a cube? A cube has 6 faces of equal dimension. This simply means the length, the breadth, and the height, they are equivalent in terms of length. They are of equal length. So this is the 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 faces. So the formula for surface area of a cube is 6 times area of one face, which is 6 squared. So that will give us 6s squared. Then the length of the diagonal is equals to square root of s squared plus s squared plus s squared. And don't forget, anytime that I want to add a non-variable like this, we are going to add up their coefficient. The coefficient of s squared here is 1, the coefficient of s squared here is also 1, the coefficient of s squared here is also 1. So 1 plus 1 will give us 3. So that's why we have 3s squared. Then some of you will be amazed. How do we get here? How do we get to this answer? How do we derive this answer? You have square root of 3s squared. Don't forget that it is equivalent to square root of 3 times square root of s squared. We are still saying the same thing. Don't forget that. And according to the law, this square, we eliminate the square root. So we ended up having s root 3. That's the reason why we have it here. I'm trying to explain the reason. Take note of that. Volume of a cube, it is base area times height. That means V is equals to S cube. V is equals to S cube. Then let's solve this relevant example given. A cube has a length of 5 cm. Calculate the surface area, the length of a diagonal, and the volume. So for us to do that, it's very simple. All we need to do is to apply the formula. That's the only thing that we need to do. So let's solve this question. A cube has a length of 5 cm. That means x is equals to 5 cm. 1a, calculate the surface area. The surface area is equals to 6s squared. And our x here is 5 cm, so we are going to have 6 into 5 cm squared. Don't forget that. Then this will be 6 in bracket of 5 cm times 5 cm. This will give us 6 in bracket of 25 cm squared. Don't forget that centimeter times centimeter is centimeter squared, and 5 times 5 will give us 25. And this is the product of 6 and 25. So by the time we multiply, we are going to have 150 centimeter squared. Take note of that. Then let's solve the B part. The length is equals to x cube root of 3. So and don't forget that our x here is equals to 5. So that means we are going to have 5 root 3, which will give us 5 times square root of 3. By the time you find the value of square root of 3 on your calculator, you are going to have 1.7321. 1.7321. And by that we multiply. 5 times 1 will give us 5. 5 times 2, that's 10. We write 0, we keep 1. 5 times 3, that's 15. Plus the one that we kept, that will be 16. We keep 1 again. 5 times 7, that's 35. Plus that one that we kept, that's 36. We keep 3. 5 times 1 will give us 5 plus that 3. It will be 8. So we have 8.667. So in other way around, we can round it up to 8.667. 7 centimeters. Then the C aspect, that's the volume. Don't forget that the volume is S cube. So that means we are going to have 5 centimeter cube, and that will be 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter times 5 centimeter. So we are going to have 125 centimeter cube. So I want to encourage you to solve this same question, but the length have to change. A cube has a length of 7 centimeter. Find A, Roman figure 1, Roman figure 2, Roman figure 3. Find the surface area, the length of a diagonal, then the volume. Please, if you are yet to subscribe, ensure you do that right now. Follow us here at the Choosing One tutorial learning platform. Thank you. See you other time. Make sure that you like the video before you leave. Thank you.
My prayer every day, Father, don't let them say, don't let them ask, where is my God? Woo. My prayer every day, Father, don't let them ask.
Ẹni tó wọ́n tẹ́gbẹ́ ní tó bánújẹ́, kó lọ́wọ́ tẹ́gbẹ́ dà kó lè dúpẹ́.